Accra is the largest city and capital of the Republic of Ghana, which is located in the west of the African continent. Accra is the largest city in Ghana, serving as the economic and administrative center of the country. In addition, it is a center of culture and tourism, with a wide range of sports and nightclubs, restaurants and hotels. The city is a major transport hub and a popular venue for national and international business conferences. The population of the city was over 2 million people.
Pretoria is a city in South Africa, the administrative capital of South Africa, one of the most modern cities in Africa. Pretoria is a calm, friendly and green city that has all the possibilities for a great time in the open air. It has many parks with places for outdoor activities. Pretoria is an important economic, scientific and commercial center of the country. The city has developed roads, railways pass through it. There is an international airport. This is one of the most modern cities in Africa.
Nairobi, the modern capital of Kenya, is one of the largest and fastest growing cities in East Africa. Nairobi is a fast-growing and developing African city which is the capital of Kenya. Nairobi, built by the British a little over 100 years ago, has now become the largest city in East Africa. It is a metropolis with a strict rectangular layout, built up with buildings of the European type. Due to the fact that the city is located high above sea level, a fertile temperate climate reigns here, without sweltering heat. Kinshasa is a city in the Democratic Republic of the Congo located in Central Africa. Kinshasa is the capital of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Located on the banks of the Congo River, one of the largest African cities. Kinshasa is a city of contrasts because its central areas are built in European style. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is the third largest country in Africa in terms of area. Today this country is part of the South African Development Community. The capital of a unique country, Uganda, which is located right on the equator. This is the city of Kampala. Uganda, ideally located on a fairly flat plateau near the equator. The equator line passes through its capital, Kampala. A very unusual city. There are few places in the world where the equator passes by a line, and is considered the hallmark of the city. Now, Kampala is a modern growing and developing city in a picturesque location near Lake Victoria. Due to its proximity to the lake, the city has a climate of eternal spring. Thank you so much for visiting the Web TV channel. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, write a review and subscribe to watch new trips around the cities. See you soon. Bye bye.